ER-721 standard. Hi, William. How are you?
Hello, great to see you here.
Great to be with you.
So we're gonna ask you our first question. What's your inspiration for ERC721?
So I didn't create it, so I'm not the inspiration. I got involved with it, right? So
Yeah.
there's other authors, but there's a whole community. The inspiration for me was CryptoKitties. They had these pictures of cats, which for me was the first not illegitimate use case on blockchain. I've seen a lot of illegitimate things, but in 2017, I saw something that was good, wasn't bad, right? And so this was an inspiration to take what I could bring to the table and just come in.
What would you say are the challenges in developing the ERC-721 standard?
So the challenges were is there was a lot of opinions and a lot of different people that wanted to do this thing, and unfortunately, if everybody went off and did those things, they wouldn't be compatible. So the challenge was that we were going to have a lot of different projects, but no big picture and no NFT NYC.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Okay.
What impact would you want to leave in this space? Like in creating it, what was the overall thought process in doing so?
Yeah, so 10-year plan, right? We've got the people that are coming in on the first, they're just trying to make some money or trying to play with the technology. That was easy. Next, we're going to have some artists or maybe people that are already established, and they're going to use this technology. That's phase 2. Phase 3, long term, we're getting close, is more established brands and companies doing different things.
We're seeing that now, right? So
We are.
We are getting there.
Yeah, so we're talking about traceability, buying products that are easy to verify. I see a lot of people talking about we want carbon neutral products. That's that's not going to happen, right? But really, what we need to have is products that are attached to NFTs, and this is going to unlock new features and new benefits for people that just buy normal stuff. And they're not going to call it NFTs. I heard it. He doesn't use the word. Joe doesn't use the word NFT anymore. He just explains it to his family as I'm interviewing him. What do you call it now?
Digital art
Keep going. More words.
and digital ownership.
ELI5. Keep going.
We call this digital money.
Right, so these are the words. This is the future of NFT, just enabling. And then the question is, why do we need digital money? Why do we need digital art?
Yeah, makes sense.
No, I'm asking you.
Because for me, why we need it because it's gonna change the game. It's gonna be easier for us to have access to stuff, like
Easier?
easier to transfer money, easier to transact, and easier to have that digital representation of everything for me.
You need
That's
to
for me.
validate
Yep.
everything as well. So
Validation,
you
yep.
mentioned something about brands. There's this problem. Well, online shopping has been so rampant lately, but there are a lot of like illegitimate products, and I feel like adding, an NFT attached to it would make sure that people could check, hey, this is real, right?
Perfect question. And actually, this is really easy. If you have a QR code with a serial number in it, that is an NFT. Is an NFT. It's not on Ethereum, it's not on blockchain, but it is an NFT, just used a different way.
Of it, yeah.
Yeah, and a non-fungible, the letters NFTs means a useless number. That's what non-fungible means. A serial number, token means useless, right? So if you have a QR code with a number inside, that is an NFT. And all you need to do is print the QR code inside your shoes, inside your luxury bag.
Yeah.
And that's it, right? So this is the traceability to prevent a lot of the problems for luxury goods for a lot of different things out there. So
Yeah.
you get it too.
And you're from Philly. Maybe we can also incorporate that in food, right? But now,
Yeah, like the Philly cheesesteak.
exactly right. We can verify if it's really
Where
from
does that meat come
Philly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now, probably the most important question: what is this? Talk to us about what
Yeah.
you're wearing.
Oh, thank you. So this is from Argentina. But last time I was in Argentina, I went to this store called Bolivia.
Yeah.
Zoom in. You can't zoom in. It's sitting there. But no, it's I found this, and my wife says, "Oh, this is really nice. Just buy the pants. Don't wear the whole thing. Don't wear the top and bottom. It's too ridiculous." And I almost walked out of that store with just the pants.
No. I am so happy that you got the whole thing anyway.
Yeah.
Well, William, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us.
Yeah, appreciate you. Thank you so much for
honor.
giving us this opportunity to interview you, giving this much opportunity to converse with you. It's a huge honor for us.
I was
Thank
going
you.
to say welcome to NFT NYC, but again,
But you're welcoming us
Yeah, you
instead.
are welcoming us. Without the standard that you made, I mean, this would
Yeah.
probably not exist. So thank
And
you.
welcome to New York.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so
A lot
much.
to see. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.